viewers, welcome to my channel. আপনারা দেখছেন Cybertalk YouTube চ্যানেল, সাথে আপনাদের হোস্ট আছে আজকে আমি রহমান। আজকে আমরা আলোচনা করব 6 good reasons to get returns in insurance by Jean FOLGER, updated July 3, 2022. আমরা আজকে এক্সপ্লেন করব ইনভেস্টিগেটিভ ওয়েবসাইটটি। তো ভিডিওটি শুরু করার আগে চ্যানেলে যারা নতুন আছেন অবশ্যই সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দিতে পারেন। ভিডিওটি ভালো লেগে থাকলে লাইক কমেন্ট শেয়ার করে দিতে পারেন। তাহলে চলুন শুরু করা যাক। If you are returning an apartment or home, you will need an insurance policy to cover your belongings. Your landlord's property insurance policy cover loses to the building itself. Whether it's an apartment, a house, or a duplex, your personal property and certain liabilities, however, are covered only through a return insurance policy that you, as a tenant, have to find and pay for, while 95% homeowners have a homeowners insurance policy. Only 41% of returners have returns insurance, the most of the up-to-date figures in 2008. Why do so few returners have insurance? One's explanation is that many people incorrectly assume they are covered by their landlord's property policy. Another reason is that people underestimate the value of their belongings. If you add up the value of just your clothing and electronics, it probably would not take long to get into the thousands of dollars. One more often overlooked reason is liability. If someone is injured in your house, a friend, a neighbor, or a pizza delivery person, they could sue you. Even if you thought you did not need insurance, here are 6 good reasons why you should get a renter's insurance policy. When renting a home, you will need an insurance policy to cover your personal belongings, known as returner's insurance. Landlord have property insurance, but those policy covered only the building, not your personal items within. Many returners don't purchase returners insurance either because they don't think it is necessary or believe they are covered under the landlord policy. Your landlord may require you to purchase it. The cost of returners insurance is relatively low. It's relatively affordable. The average returns insurance policy cost of 15 to 13 a month in 2022 latest figure, according to the National Association of Insurance Commissioners. Your actual cost will depend on factors including how much coverage you need, the type of coverage you choose, the amount of your deductible, and where you live. Number 2, it covers losses to personal property. A rental insurance policy protects against losses to your personal property, including clothes, jewelry, luggage, computer, furniture, and electronics. Even if you don't own much, it can quickly add up to a lot more than you realize, and a lot more than you want to pay. Replace everything. Renter policy protect against to surprisingly long list of perils. Standard for policy designers of renter, for example, cover losses to personal property from perils including so damage caused by aircraft, damage caused by vehicle, explosion, falling object, fire or lightning, riot or civil commission, smoke, theft, vandalism or maleficent, mischief, volcanic eruption, weight of ice, snow or sleet, etc. Number 3, your landlord might require it. Your landlord's insurance covers the structure and the grounds, but not your belongings. A growing number of landlords require tenant to purchase their own rental insurance policy, and they will accept to see proof. If you need assistance finding to or obtaining coverage, your landlord may be able to help. This could be the landlord's idea or an order from the landlord's insurance company. The idea is that if the tenant are covered, some responsibility can be shifted away from the landlord. Number 4, IT provider liability coverage. Liability coverage is also included standard renter's insurance policy. This provides protection if someone injured while in your home, or if you or another covered person accidentally injured someone. It pays any court judgment and legal expense up to the policy limit. Most policy provides at least $100,000 of liability coverage and a smaller amount of medical payments coverage. You can request and pay for higher coverage limits. Number 5, it covers your belongings when you travel. Rented insurance covers your personal belongings, whether they are in your home, car, or with you while you travel. Your possessions are covered from loss due to the theft and other covered losses anywhere you travel. Check your policy or ask your insurance agent for details on what constructors other covered losses. It may cover additional living expense if your home becomes uninhabitable due to one of your covered pairs. Your rental insurance policy may cover additional living expense, including the cost associated with living somewhere else temporarily, food, and more. Check your policy to find out how long it will cover additional living expense and if it caps the almost company will pay. So, is the renter's insurance really worth it? Yes, if you can afford it, renter insurance is usually worth it. It will protect your belongings, provide liability coverage, and may cover your personal item when you travel. Renter insurance protects you from a long list of perils as well. সো ভিউয়ার্স, ভিডিওটি যারা দেখলেন সবাইকে অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ। পরবর্তী ভিডিও দেখার আমন্ত্রণ জানিয়ে শেষ করছি। যারা এখনো সাবস্ক্রাইব করেননি অবশ্যই সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দিবেন চ্যানেলটা। সে পর্যন্ত সবাই ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন। আল্লাহ হাফেজ।